In this video, I'm going to show you how to download apps on your Acer laptop. So it's actually really easy to do. We just need to go and open up the start menu on your computer. And then in the search box, we need to type in Microsoft Store. And then you can go and click on the Microsoft Store like so. Now, once you're on this page, you need to make sure you're signed in to your Microsoft account. So you can see in the top right hand side, here's my profile icon. And as you can see, I'm already signed in. Now from here, we can go and download a bunch of different games and apps. And most of these are going to be free. There are some paid ones as well. And you can either look through the different categories. You can see right here's all the trending apps. You can scroll down and we have also games as well. You can also click on apps in the left hand side, and from here you'll find the most popular apps that people download. If there is a specific app that you want to download, you can always use the search box and then go and search for that app. So let's say I wanted to download Netflix. You can then click on the app like so. You can then click on this blue get button, and now it's going to start installing to your computer. Once it's finished installing, the next time we want to go and open up this app, you can just click on your start menu and then you can go and search for the app. So in this case, it's Netflix, and you can go and open it directly from here. So that's how you download apps on your Acer laptop. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.